Hello dear kids, today we will draw Tung 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 Sahur. Let's get started. First, draw 2 straight lines. Then, curve them at the top and bottom. This is the body of Tung Tung Tung. Now, let's draw both arms. Draw the right arm going down. Draw the left arm holding a bat. Draw 2 long legs at the bottom. Draw 2 big eyes for Tung Tung Tung. A big smiling mouse.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had.
Draw 2 small eyebrows above the eyes.
With a here and a there, here and there.
Inside the smile, draw some teeth in the tongue. Now, go over all the lines with a black marker to make them bold.
And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
Wow! The drawing looks even better now. Let's color it together. Use brown color. First, color the whole body.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Then the right arm.
Farm, E-I-E-I-O, and
Then the left arm and the back too.
E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
Now color both legs brown.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Wow, kids! Amazing! Our Tung 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 Sahur is ready.